This week we have an update on the renovation and the things that we've gotten done, the big projects. And we're gonna go back and we're gonna talk about something that we did to make sure we didn't have to do double and triple work on one of the projects we've already completed. All right, let's get into it. For the first thing, I finally started laying more self-leveler. And I'm gonna do some more today, but I at least started. Okay, so we gotta connect this. I'm gonna do just a little bit here and then see if we can get the rest of it right here. Well, shoot, I needed 3 bags for that. Maybe I'll have to planty patch in here and over there. One step closer. So just like we had before, same setup. We had our bucket full of water. We had reserve water in case we spilt. And it's a good thing we did because we spilt. Looks like we've got to get another 2 or 3 bags. We'll be done in a week or so. Let me show you some more progress that we're getting done. So if you remember, there was a narrow door there. We had that widened. And we got the ceiling textured. It's all been painted. We've got the vanity in. Not the vanity. We've got the light in because we didn't have light earlier. We've got that in. You've seen that. We're test fitting everything in the bathroom. I don't like the gooseneck. We've got a 3-inch on order, and then we have a 6-inch extension that's going to go up. That way we can put our new faucet in. In addition, we have a contractor that is about a week out to getting us tile. They're gonna rip up this linoleum, do self-leveler if they have to, and then they're gonna tile this, and they're gonna tile the entryway. So as you saw a couple videos ago, we got new countertops. And before we got that in, we needed a functioning sink. And so I primed everything. And this is how I primed it. This is how I saved myself from a lot of double work. All right, so we got our new sink. We've got everything we need for that. We've got our plumbing, new garbage disposal, and we have our faucet set. So we got our temporary countertops in so that we can use the kitchen for the next 3 weeks. All right, let's see if we can get this thing in. The what? Are we ready to... You just left. You just disappeared. I had no idea where you went. Didn't know if you were coming back.
You knew I was coming back.
I thought you went out for milk or cigarettes and we're gonna be back.
I have no need for milk or cigarettes. I don't smoke and I'm lactose intolerant.
The good thing is it's raining outside. You can't do any work out there. The bad news is you're stuck with Plumber Bob here, who is not a plumber. All right, let's see if we can get this to fit now. Holy Santa Claus. I think we're good. Might have got it, Captain. That's a clockwork orange experiment right there. Plumbing's all tight. So it comes down from the sink, disposal, goes into the drain, comes down from the drain. It's got a selector, P-trap right there. Let's see what happens. Hey babe, I'm gonna need some towels. I just needed to catch all my mistakes in the form of water. You wanna grab a couple glasses of water? I just need you to come over here. I said a couple.
Yeah, it's 32 ounces.
Okay. Slowly start pouring in here, and if I tell you to stop, stop. Okay. Pour it all?
No.
Okay. Other side.
Oh, there's only a little bit left.
Weird.
What?
Can you go get some more?
Yeah.
That way we can make our couple that I asked you to get. Chocolate! Inbound chocolate!
All done.
Well, I think we can move on to the next phase.
I've got a face for you.
I don't think it's a phase I'm going to like. And I don't think it's a phase you're going to like, mister. Thank you. I think that's it. We didn't have this all thought out. And so we got this on sale 3 years ago for 40 bucks. And we got this sink, extra deep, which we almost weren't able to use, but it's a nice one, Kohler, for 60 bucks. So doesn't look wonderful together. We're probably gonna end up changing this out because it's the more expensive. And then we'll take that one and probably put it in the laundry room. But as of right now, we have a super roughed in, non-permanent sink, operational, with garbage disposal. Actually, let's check the garbage disposal. Let's check it out. Still no leaks, which is good. Very good. I think it's great. All right, taking a lunch break. Obviously, we have a lot of things going on in our life, and there's lots of other projects that we're working on that aren't ready for prime time for this channel. But this is an update of what we got done this week and the progress that we're making to making this house a home. I want to say thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. We know that your attention could be spent anywhere else on the internet or in the world, and so it means a lot to us. If you'd like to support us, the freest and best way to do that is like, comment, subscribe, send it to a friend, as we're trying to grow this channel and create a little bit of a community. And as always, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. If someone hasn't already asked you to do so this week, do me a favor. Make the day you deserve.